E-learning has been one of the emerging and evolving practices implemented by different educational institutions worldwide. E-learning has provided a shared space for instructors, students, and other experts in their fields together in a common place. With the increasing popularity of e-learning websites and advancement in today's world, it is essential to facilitate e-learning in a user-friendly, effective environment and an enjoyable experience for the users. Kashmir University, being an autonomous educational institution, has implemented an innovative learning process through e-learning by implementing gamification approach. The gamification approach is the process of bringing game mechanics, elements, and ideas to non-game environment where users feel connected to the learning portal like how they get connected with gaming environment. Hi everyone, I am Sushant Subedi and meet my team Paras Subedi and Dipesh Paral from Department of Computer Science and Engineering. As part of our course completion on human-computer and interaction, we have done mini research project on analysis of gamification on e-learning. Our research paper involved around two major concerns: analyzing KU-MOOC system on basis of gamification and suggestion to make it more gamified. Our major hypothesis that we are taking into consideration for our research paper is gamification system to boost the learning experience for the users. The methodology that we are adopting on our research paper is survey-based research on system usability scale, where we selected random students from Kathmandu University to understand the uses of online learning system and feature uses. Our findings resulted in total 42 respondents, out of which 57.1% were male and 42.9% were female. 76.2% of our responders had taken online courses and 23.8% had not been enrolled in any courses. The department and school that we selected for our research paper on survey is School of Engineering, School of Science, School of Medical Science, and School of Law. We also identified different online learning portal that our responder uses, and also we identified different level of students that had been studying on Kathmandu University. We prepared different questions on different categories based on who our responders were. The first was based on how has been their online learning journey, and the second one is based on their online learning experience by introducing gamification elements. The finding helped us to figure out important elements of gamification and help us to understand preference of users on different features of gamification. According to our survey result, we identified 9 different gamification elements. First one is level points and scores, second one is rewards and badges, third one is leaderboards, fourth one is progress bar, fifth one is storyline, sixth one is virtual currency and in-app tools, seventh one is countdown and schedule, eighth one is personalization, and final one is micro interaction. After researching, we identify 5 gamification elements were present on current MOOC system, and we also identify that there are possibilities for adding plugin into the system to make it more gamified, and specifically personalization gamification element has been missing and we are suggesting the plugin for that. To validate our work, we also conducted survey to understand if our user will like the personalization gamification elements or not, and we come into conclusion that 50% of the learners will undoubtedly use the system if it has personalization feature included. Here are few examples of gamification element used on current MOOC system. The first one is level. The second one is different weeks unlocking system based on how the user perform on previous weeks. The third one is leaderboards showing different leaders, different points on different leaderboards. The final one is progress bar showing how much points required to go into next level. Now, the plugin that we are suggesting are advanced plugin and reaction-based plugin on personalization gamification elements. Advanced notification is alert type message which shows different alert to the user based on their action. The message is designed in a way that the name comes first, then the message comes second, and different alert types comes third with success, intermediate, warning, danger, and dismissal messages. According to Ben Snyderman, we have mapped different elements implemented by the plugin. The first one is consistency, the second one is feedback, third one is error prevention, and the fourth one is closure. According to Octalysis gamification framework, the plugin incorporate Code Drive 3 empowerment of creativity and feedback and Code Drive 7 on predictability and curiosity on the system. The elements that these code drive touchdown is instant feedback, milestone unlock, multilingual feedback, curiosity, and oracle effect. The second plugin that we are suggesting is reaction-based feedback, which basically let users to react based on their module and on their courses. This gives them three different reaction from easy, moderate to hard, where user can select the reaction and instructor can know that what their learners has been feeling throughout the course and the instructor can design the course accordingly. The different avatar can also make be implemented on the reaction so that users feel more connected with the system. According to Octalysis gamification framework, the plugin has incorporated Code Drive 4 ownership and possession and Code Drive 6 scarcity and impression. The different elements that this code drive touchdown is difficulty tracks, option pacing, emotion driven, last mile drive, and Alfred effect.